Hi, my name is Dr. Kunal Patel. I'm the founder and owner of Love Teeth Dental Practice based in Surrey. I am a general practitioner with a keen interest for aesthetic dentistry and Invisalign. So the iTero 5D intraoral scanner has impacted my clinic massively. It's been a game changer in terms of we are now a digital clinic. Our whole patient pathway is digital and efficient. And to the community, we are known as a modern dental clinic. So now every single patient that enters the building will get an iTero 5D scan. The reason for this is that it's a great way for us to keep digital records of the patient, but also visualize with the patient where tartar is, for example, for hygiene protocols. So the near infrared technology has changed the way we do a checkup. We have to do visual examination anyway, but now we do it with an intraoral scanner, and at the same time we can detect caries within a tooth. And even our hygienists have adopted the NERI technology. They now scan their patients and they can detect caries quicker, earlier, and then inform the patient, look, book in a checkup with your dentist because there's a possibility that you may have caries in a tooth. Our return on investment increased because of digital dentistry. It's here, patients are aware of it. From hygiene, from general dentistry to Invisalign, our uptake of treatment is so much higher just because we're able to visually communicate with the patient with digital dentistry. The support from online technology was fantastic. Within a week, it was integrated into our entire team and we were able to use the technology and the functionality because it was so simple. So during COVID-19, we were actually able to transform our workflow to limited contact with the patient, which made it a lot safer for the patient and they felt a lot safer. Having the disposable sleeves, it was fantastic for the patients to see them being disposed of because it gave that reassurance that we have a safe environment for them to come and visit during the pandemic.